Today we're doing an install over at a home builder that we do work for. Right now Ramone, our crew lead, is installing the electrical. This is the meter socket. This is the disconnect. We'll have a combiner panel going over right here where the solar is going to feed down into this combiner panel, and the combiner panel is going to feed into their main electrical service. We'll be putting 35 solar panels up on this house, nice black on black. It'll look nice once we're done. We just finished up an install, 35 black on black, 340 watt hand wall modules. They look super sleek, really nice install by the guys. Guys always do a nice clean install. Here at Redline, we take pride in our work. We make sure that everybody knows exactly how things need to be done so that no matter what happens, no matter which crew, no matter which installers are on your job, everything looks absolutely perfect and uniform. This homeowner is going to be real happy with their energy bill after this. They're going to save lots of money.